Hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you guys how to make potato fufu. Yes, so this is the potato I am going to use. This is a very quick and easy way you can make a non-sticky potato fufu. So let's go. So I will start by peeling the potato. So I am through with peeling it. The next step now is to go and wash it. So the next step is to chop it into tiny pieces because we are going to blend it. So when you are chopping it, you have to chop it according to how strong your blender is, okay? If your blender can blend as much as this size, then you have to chop it as this size. But me, I am going to be chopping it tiny because I don't have a very strong blender. So I am through with chopping my potato. Can you see? And before I forget, the quantity of the potato you are supposed to use should be according to the number of people that is going to eat it. So here in this house, it's just me and my husband. So this is okay for the two of us. So you transfer it to your blender. You see it? Let's go and blend it. So before you blend, you add a little water. This is to help your blender. Then you blend. So it has blended now. Let's transfer it into our pot. Transfer it into your pot. You have to make sure that it's on medium heat so that it will not burn. Then you add a little olive oil. Just a little. This is going to make it not to be sticky. You start to stir it. Can you see? It is done. It is done now. Okay, can you see it? So it is now time for us to transfer it from this pot here. Transfer it from this pot. You have to leave it to get cold. Guys, can you see it? Yes. This is how to make a perfect potato fufu. This one is the one I made last night, and this is the one I just made now. Can you see? So you can serve with any soup of your choice. Now I am going to eat it with my okra soup. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on your bell notification so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.